Welcome to Acer Showroom, your go-to destination for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest automobiles. Today, we dive into one of the most anticipated motorcycles of the year, the new Royal Enfield Classic 350. This legendary machine has been reimagined to offer a perfect blend of classic charm and modern performance. Let's explore what makes it stand out. Design and aesthetics. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 retains its signature retro styling while incorporating subtle refinements for a fresh appeal. The iconic teardrop fuel tank, timeless round headlamp, and elegant chrome elements stay true to its heritage. The addition of new color options and better fit and finish elevate its overall look, making it more appealing than ever before. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the new Classic 350 is powered by a refined 349 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, producing 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 Newton-meters of torque. Built on the new J-Series platform, it delivers smoother power delivery, reduced vibrations, and an improved riding experience. Whether you're cruising on highways or navigating city streets, the bike offers a balanced mix of power and comfort. Ride quality and comfort. One of the biggest improvements in the new Classic 350 is its ride quality. Thanks to the new chassis and improved suspension setup, the bike handles better than ever. The telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers ensure a comfortable ride even on rough roads. Additionally, the well-cushioned seat and relaxed ergonomics make long-distance touring a pleasure. Technology and features. Despite its vintage charm, the Classic 350 comes with modern features to enhance the riding experience. The semi-digital instrument cluster provides essential information, including a fuel gauge and odometer. The inclusion of a USB charging port adds convenience for riders on the go. The top-end variants also feature dual-channel ABS for improved safety. Fuel efficiency and practicality. With an approximate mileage of 35 to 40 km/h, the new Classic 350 is not only stylish but also practical for daily commutes and long rides. Its 13-liter fuel tank ensures fewer stops at the fuel station, allowing riders to enjoy uninterrupted journeys. Price and variants. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is available in multiple variants, catering to different preferences and budgets. Depending on the variant and color choice, the pricing varies, making it accessible for a wide range of enthusiasts. The new Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a perfect blend of timeless design and modern engineering. With improved comfort, refined performance, and added features, it remains a top choice for riders who appreciate the charm of a classic motorcycle with contemporary upgrades. Stay tuned to Acer Showroom for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest motorcycles and automobiles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Ride safe and happy motorcycling!